Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Today is Saturday. I didn't put a video out yesterday. Didn't really do too much. Stayed here all day. Look was at the store. Her brother had off, so they were over there and running the store. And I just stayed here, picked Hannah Grace up from school, and she stayed here and played with her friends here and just hung out here, you know, for the afternoon. I kind of just, a lazy day for me. Watching some TV, catching up on some videos I wanted to watch, and just stayed here. Looks over the store right now. There's a brownout over there. If you're not familiar with what a brownout is, it's basically when they shut the power off. You know what, for the first month we were over there, I don't think we had a single brownout. Now this month, it seems like there's been a couple of them. So yeah, there's no power over there. Yeah, the refrigerator, we got the refrigerator running, and we kind of keep it closed as much as we can, but still got to move some products, so we got to open the refrigerator, you know, least amount of times as possible, so everything doesn't, you know, get warm. But yeah, she's over there. We're sitting here. Actually, Hannah Grace is still sleeping. But anyways, I want to tell you guys, thanks a lot. Today we're going to name the kitten. There's over 100 names we have. I wrote them all down. Like I said, we're going to put them in a hat. We're going to do a drawing. But thanks a lot for all the, you know, all the input. But yeah, let me give you some of the names that were put out there for suggestion. Now, some of them there was multiple. People said the name multiple times, like Sorry, Lucky, AC for Angeles City. But yeah, let me run these down, or let me run these by you. Like I said, there's over 100. You got Gizmo, Shawarma, Lily, Skizik, Apple, Gracie, Bunton, Fluffy, Sasha, Dallas, Panay, Tiger Lily, Cutie, Phyllis, Sarah Lee, Panget, Callie, Maui, Lizzie, Misty, Mistake, Tails, Scrappy, Action, Winnie, Shasha, Daisy, Tintin, Shorttail, Bobcat, Wanda, Calico, Malut, Liberty, Jab, Slim, Peroyor, Jackie, Liz, Emily, Kisa, Savannah, Brianna, Nala, Maldita, Scooter, Miss Philly, Jasmine, Princess, Twinkie, Pusa, Niliko, Catone, Cat Jr., Hopsing, Lilling, Ninja, Momo, Rainbow, Nubs, Misfortune, Susie, Lucy, Allie, Muffin, Smile, Emily, Little Bit, Ampon, Sharon, Leafer, Miss T, Chloe, Silver, Miko, Sorry, Posh, Lola, Milo, Zertara, Pusa, Mendos, Lucky, Stormy Daniels, Felix Bacat, Shrody, Keepy, Jaja, Bigfoot, Bella, Peppermint Patty, Miracle, Tiger, Chica, Cat, AC, Philly, or Phila, Iverson, Sayapao, Philomania, Pixie, Marley, Mahalco, Fippy, KC, Angus, and Mong Pacu, Manny Pacmeow. So yeah, there they are, guys. And like I said, later on today we're gonna draw a name, and we're gonna name this kitten. So anyways, I guess gotta wake up Hannah Grace, and I don't know, gotta head over to the store. Like I said, no power over there, no fan over there, no internet over there, so I guess we'll be heading over there and see what's going on over there. You guys, it is still brown out here over at the store right now, as you can see. Cutting the names here out so we can get this little kitten a name. Cutting them up. Got a pile here. Let me show you. Here's the pile. Got them all written down. Lut is over here. She is rolling them up, and we're gonna throw them in a container, and we're gonna draw a name. It's very quiet now. Brown out. Of course, you have people, you know, calling. She wants to sell something, I'm sure. What does she want to sell it?
Lumpia sariwa.
She's looking to sell lumpia.
Lumpia, like the vegetables,
Fresh vegetables. It's kind of nice, you know, no radios playing, no nothing, just a loud jeepney or trikes going by. And no fan, that's the worst part. I mean, I could do without the aircon, but no fan. Anna Grace is upstairs. She's in a mood, I think. All right, the word on the street is the power will be back on by 5. What do you think, Hannah Grace?
Good.
Good?
I don't like her.
No Wi-Fi?
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi? Is it the end of the world?
It's the end of the world to her.
It's the end of the world to Hannah Grace. No Wi-Fi. No, no. End of the world. Come on, 5 o'clock. All right, guys. We got all the names in the little bucket right here. You can see all the names are all in here. Put the lid on. Shake it to the left. Shake it to the right. Shake it up and down. Flip it around. HG, it's time to draw a name. Pick a good one. Pick a good one. Can you see it? All right, give it to me. All right, guys, here we go. This is the name of the kitten. We have it right here. We have it right here wrapped up. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. The kitten's new name is Liberty.
Yay!
I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but Liberty is the kitten's name. Once again, thanks guys for submitting all the names. Like I said, over 100 names. Thanks a lot for, like I said, for participating and sending in the names. So, the new kitten has a new name, and it is
Liberty.
Liberty. Guys, check it out. This is my Go Rad I have here at the store. And I finally found some use out of that tie stuff they give you here when they tie up your boxes. I got it tied to the Go Rad, and this cat is going ballistic playing with it. Got it just sitting here, and she's swatting it around and smacking it around and totally entertaining herself with it. And I've been playing with it, or playing with her with it also. So we found some entertainment. Well, if I could find some catnip.